Hello, young explorers. Today we're going on a fun adventure into the world of coding. Have you ever wondered how your favorite games and apps are made? Well, two of the most popular languages that help make these cool things are Python and Java. In this video, we'll discover what makes Python and Java special, how they are different, and which one might be easier or more fun for you to start with. Get ready for bright graphics, easy words, and lots of fun examples. Let's jump right in and see what these two coding superheroes can do. First up is Python. Python is a programming language that is super friendly for beginners. Imagine it like a magic pen that helps you write instructions for the computer in a way that's easy to read and understand. Many people love Python because it looks almost like English, so you don't have to worry about lots of tricky symbols or confusing words. Python is used to make games, websites, and even robots. Isn't that cool? Let's see what Python code looks like and why kids all over the world enjoy learning it. Now let's meet Java. Java is another powerful programming language. It's a bit older than Python and is used to build big, important things like apps for your phone, computer games, and even websites. Java is like a strong superhero who can do a lot, but sometimes it uses more words and rules than Python. Many schools and companies use Java because it's reliable and works almost everywhere. Let's take a peek at what Java code looks like and see why it's a favorite for making big projects. One thing that makes Python really special is its simple style. When you write Python code, you don't need to use a lot of extra words or symbols. It's almost like writing a story or a recipe. This makes it easy for kids and beginners to understand what's happening. For example, if you want to print hello world, in Python you just write print hello world. That's it, no confusing parts. This is why many people say Python is friendly and fun. Java likes to be very clear and detailed. When you write code in Java, you have to follow more rules and use more words. For example, to print hello world in Java, you need to write a few lines of code. It might look a bit tricky at first, but these rules help make sure your programs work well and don't have mistakes. Java teaches you to be careful and organized, which is a great skill to have as you grow as a coder. Python is everywhere. It's used to make fun games, cool websites, and even help scientists with their research. Some robots and smart gadgets use Python to follow instructions. If you've ever played a game or used a website that feels smooth and easy, there's a good chance Python was involved. Python is also used in schools to help kids learn coding because it's so friendly and easy to start with. Java is a superstar in the world of big projects. Many popular games, like Minecraft, are made with Java. It's also used to build apps for Android phones, websites, and even bank systems. Java is chosen for these jobs because it's strong and can handle lots of work at once. If you dream of making your own game or app, learning Java can help you build something big and amazing. Learning Python is like riding a bike with training wheels. It's designed to help you get started quickly and have fun while learning. You can see results right away, which keeps you excited. Many kids say they feel like real programmers after just a few lessons with Python. That's why teachers and parents love it too. Java might take a little longer to learn, but it gives you a strong foundation in coding. It teaches you how to organize your code and think like a computer scientist. If you stick with Java, you'll be able to build really big and complex projects in the future. It's like learning to build a strong castle, brick by brick. One of the best things about Python is its friendly community. There are lots of people, including kids, who use Python and share their projects online. You can find fun tutorials, games, and even join coding clubs. If you ever get stuck, there's always someone ready to help you out. Coding with friends makes learning even more fun. Java is used all over the world by millions of programmers. Big companies, schools, and even governments use Java for important projects. If you learn Java, you'll be able to work with people from many different countries and build things that can be used everywhere. Java opens doors to exciting opportunities around the globe. Python is famous for its shortcuts. You can do a lot with just a few lines of code. This means you can make your ideas come to life quickly. For example, making a simple game or drawing a picture on the screen can be done in just a few steps. Python helps you focus on being creative instead of worrying about too many details. Java likes to make sure every instruction is clear. This means you might write more code, but your programs will be very organized. Java teaches you to plan ahead and think about every step. This is really helpful when you want to make big games or apps that lots of people will use. With Python, you can make all sorts of fun projects. From drawing colorful shapes to making simple games, Python lets your imagination run wild. Many kids start by making a guessing game or drawing with a turtle on the screen. It's a great way to learn and have fun at the same time. Java is perfect for big adventures in coding. If you want to make a huge game like Minecraft or an app that lots of people can use, Java is the way to go. It gives you the tools to build strong and exciting projects that can grow as you learn more. Syntax is just a fancy word for the rules of writing code. Python syntax is simple and easy to remember. You don't need to use lots of curly brackets or semicolons. This makes it less confusing and helps you focus on solving problems and being creative. Java's syntax is a bit more strict. You have to use curly brackets, semicolons, and follow more rules. This might seem hard at first, but it helps you learn how to write code that is neat and works well. It's like learning to follow a recipe exactly so your cake turns out perfect every time. Did you know Python has a fun mascot? It's named after the comedy group, Monty Python, not the snake. Many people use a friendly snake as a symbol for Python, and you'll see it in lots of coding books and websites. This makes learning Python feel like joining a fun club. Java's mascot is a steaming coffee cup. That's because Java was named after coffee. You'll see this coffee cup on many Java websites and books. It's a fun way to remember that Java helps you stay energized and ready to build amazing things. You can start coding with Python right away. All you need is a computer and a simple program called an interpreter. You can write your code and see what happens instantly. This makes it easy to try new ideas and learn by doing. To start coding in Java, you need to set up a few things on your computer, like a compiler and an editor. It might take a little longer, but once you're ready, you can build really big and powerful programs. Setting up Java teaches you how to prepare for big projects. Python is very flexible. You can use it for games, websites, robots, and even art. If you like trying new things, Python lets you explore many different areas of coding. It's like having a toolbox full of colorful tools for every project. Java is powerful and can handle really big jobs. It's used by banks, schools, and even space agencies. If you want to build something that needs to be strong and reliable, Java is a great choice. It's like building with bricks instead of blocks. Python is one of the most popular languages in the world. Lots of kids, teachers, and professionals use it every day. There are tons of books, videos, and games to help you learn. If you start with Python, you'll have lots of friends to learn with. Java has been around for a long time and is still going strong. Many big companies trust Java for their most important projects. If you learn Java, you'll be learning skills that will be useful for many years to come. Python is especially great for kids. There are special tools and games made just for young learners. You can make your own stories, games, and even animations. Python makes learning to code feel like playing a game. Java is also a good choice for kids who want to take on big challenges. If you like solving puzzles and building big things, Java will help you learn how to think like a real engineer. There are fun projects and games you can try as you learn. If you're just starting out, Python is usually easier because of its simple words and friendly style. But if you like a challenge and want to build big things, Java is a great choice too. Both languages are awesome, and you can always learn both as you grow. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Python is simple, friendly, and great for beginners. Java is strong, organized, and perfect for big projects. Both are used all over the world to make amazing things. No matter which one you choose, you'll be learning skills that can help you create your own games, apps, and more. Now it's your turn. Pick a language that sounds fun to you and start exploring. Remember, coding is like solving puzzles and telling the computer what to do. Whether you choose Python or Java, you're on your way to becoming a coding superstar. Happy coding, and see you in the next adventure.